Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, I'm going to show you guys how to make these golden goose cupcakes. These are inspired by Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. There's that scene where Veruca, is it Veruca? She wants a golden goose, a goose that makes golden goose eggs. And I thought this would be kind of like a fun, different golden goose Easter egg idea. Anyway guys, I don't think I'm going anywhere with this conversation. Let's just get stuck into it. This is how you make my golden goose cupcakes. Okay guys, so let's start off with the cupcakes. So we're going to pop our flour, sugar, cocoa powder, which is unsweetened, some bicarb soda and salt into a large mixing bowl. Mix those until everything is well combined. Next, you want to add your butter. So you want to make sure your butter is nice and soft. You're going to mix that until it reaches a crumbly sand-like texture. Next, you want to add your milk and your eggs and mix that in as well. So I'm going to scrape down the bowl and add some speckled egg chocolate, chocolate Easter eggs basically. And we're going to pop these in there. We're going to fold them in gently. Now I'm using some gold lined cupcake liners. They're gold foil ones. You can grab them online, just do a Google search for them. And we're going to fill these up about 3/4 of the way. We're going to bake these for about 40 minutes. Then we're going to let them cool down completely on a cooling rack. So we're going to make some ganache as well, which is going to be for our frosting. So add your chocolate and cream into a large mixing bowl. So I'm using thickened or whipping cream for this. We're going to microwave this for 20 seconds at a time, mixing each time until it's nice and smooth. Now you want to let that set at room temperature. Now, to make the chocolate Easter eggs, we are going to melt some dark chocolate. Now, I'm going to be using an egg mold which I bought online, so again, you can just do a Google search for this. We're going to fill it up with some of that dark chocolate. Turn it around, let all of the excess drizzle out of the mold. You want to scrape the excess off the top and then you want to chill these. Then you want to fill them up with ganache. Now, don't fill them all the way to the top because you're going to fill one side with a Ferrero Rocher, and then when you sandwich them together, if you do fill them up too much, you'll have chocolate ganache squishing out the sides. So I'm placing a little bit of gripping material on top of my cake turning table. It's going to stop our cupcake from slipping around. I fitted the end of a piping bag with a round tip. We're going to frost a bulb of ganache on top of the cupcake. The reason why we're using a cake turning table is because we're going to be piping around the cupcake with that leaf tip, and it just makes it a whole lot easier. To make the gold paint, you're going to add some vanilla extract or a clear liquor to some gold lustre dust. You want to mix that. I'm using a food-safe pastry brush to paint the gold onto the cupcake. Now guys, this is going to take ages, I'm not going to lie. Just pop on your favorite podcast or music and paint for your life. You want to let that dry, and guys, that is pretty much it. Okay guys, those are my golden goose cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I apologize about the ranting in the beginning of the video. If you have a problem with me talking, I really don't care. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Guys, have an amazing Easter. Eat lots of food. Try not to talk about politics, except I say that, but I talk about politics on my Instagram stories all the time. Stick up for what you believe in. Anyway, try not to have an argument. Be safe on the roads, guys. Everyone is traveling around Easter time. Be safe on the roads and have a very happy Easter. I will see you guys on the next episode of the Scran Line.